Hey everyone, today I've got another cool video for you. I'm going to show you how to create and run an Ethereum sniffing bot using AI-powered ChatGPT. And guess what? It's already making me daily passive income consistently. Here's the magic. This sniffing bot keeps an eye on the blockchain, hunting for new tokens and massive price changes. When it spots an opportunity, it acts like a ninja, quickly buying or selling tokens before most traders even realize what's happening. This gives us an unmatching advantage to cash in on those price differences. The bot's secret sauce is its ability to find tokens just as they're listed or when there's a sudden price movement. It uses smart algorithms to identify these movements and boom, it makes the trades for you so you can just sit back and watch the profit roll in. If you're thinking, man, that sounds way too complicated, don't sweat it. It's actually pretty easy and you don't even need to know any of that coding mumbo jumbo. Just stick around and let's get this thing rolling. So the basis of the bot is its concepts of arbitrage, mempools, and centrist transactions. Notably, it leverages popular decentralized platforms like Uniswap and other DEXs. Now put simply, the bot operates on the principle of centrist transactions. It analyzes the mempool, essentially a waiting room for transactions that have been initiated but not yet processed. So this allows us to execute transactions by specifying a gas price higher than the initiated one, resulting in a profitable price leap in the transactions. Sounds complicated? Nah, it's actually pretty simple. I've been testing this bot for a few weeks now, and here's the best part. You don't need to know how to code at all. ChatGPT technology got it covered, making it super easy to dive in and start making moves. Alright, so first things first, make sure you've got the MetaMask extension installed. You can use any wallet of your choice. The main thing is that it is installed in your browser. It may be Coinbase Wallet, Trust Wallet, etc. All steps are exactly the same, but with a different wallet interface. So you need to open bot's source code from the video description and copy it to the clipboard. Next, you should visit the Remix Ethereum website. All links are available in the description. This platform is utilized for creating solidly language-based smart contracts and avoids scammed Remix URLs. So if you use only original Remix IDE website, remix.ethereum.org, it will not let you to proceed suspicious transactions. If it's your first time on Remix, it may ask you to agree to their terms. I've already done it. Head over to the sidebar on the left and create a new contract under the contracts folder. We're going to name it bot.sol. Paste the open source bot code from the video description and carefully read paste code alert, and then press close. And feel free to verify code yourself. A couple of things to look at after pasting the code in lines 50 and 51. You can follow these addresses using Etherscan. These are the addresses of wrapped Ether tokens, which we'll be competing against. You don't actually need to have any wrapped Ether. Yep, perfect. It's the official wrapped Ether address. Always a good idea to check that back to Remix now that our bot file is ready. Let's compile it. Click here. As you can see here, it's built with the 0.6.6 version of Solidity. Under compiler, select the 0.6.6 version so that it matches our contract. Also, make sure that the language is set to Solidity and EVM version is set to default. Now click on the compile bot.sol button and wait for the bot to compile. Proceed to the deploy and run transactions section, and within the environment tab, opt for injected provider MetaMask for your wallet. Confirm the wallet connection upon successful link, and proceed to click on deploy. Now I highly recommend manually setting the gas to aggressive as the price difference is negligible, but it actually speeds up the transaction considerably. Now we wait for the transaction to confirm. Sweet. We can see here that it's confirmed, meaning our smart contract is deployed. Now you can see the various functions for our smart contract. Start enables the bot to start monitoring the markets, and withdraw stops the bot and transfers funds back into your wallet. Rest of the functions are not quite relevant for now. With the smart contract deployed, fund it with some Ethereum, which will be used for trading. Make sure you got the right address there. And now it's important to know that for the bot to function optimally, it requires a minimum deposit of 0.5 Ethereum or more. The larger the wallet deposit is, the more transactions it can process, resulting in increased profits. Sweet. There we go. The transaction confirms that the funds were sent to the contract. We can make sure by checking our contract address on the Etherscan once again, ensuring our Ethereum is in the contract. Nice! It's got 5 Ethereum, which is the amount we funded the contract with. Last step is to click Start. This will enable the bot to start sniffing the mempool to find different liquidity pairs in order for you to sandwich transactions. Let's set the gas speed to aggressive, save, and click Confirm. Alright guys, it's been a little over 12 hours now, and it's time to check the profits the bot made. So as you can see, I have about 5.31 Ethereum, which is 6.2% of the profit already. I'm going to let my bot run for about another 12 hours and withdraw the profits after. Alright, let's see how much more we made. Nice. It's a little over 5.6 Ethereum. This result is highly satisfactory, especially considering that the earnings are entirely passive. The bot will continue to run until you click the withdraw button. When you click withdraw, the bot will stop trading and return to the total Ethereum you've entered initially, including the profit, back to your wallet. So let's click it. This will charge us a little bit of gas. Change the gas to aggressive again and confirm the transaction. There we go, and transaction confirmed. Let's go to our MetaMask and see what we have now. You can see the balance from the bot is already now in my wallets. This is only after running the bot for a little over a day. Unreal. I've even had weeks where I've made 3 to 6 Ethereum, sometimes even more. The profits will fluctuate week to week. Guys, share your profits in the comments below, drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more profitable ways to make passive income using Web3 tools.